In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play GTA San Andreas multiplayer on mobile with your friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is download this app called SAMP Mobile. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and look for SAMP. As you can see here, the SAMP launcher by Jackmant. Make sure you download and open it up. The first thing that you will see on the information page is this icon telling you if the game is installed or not. As you can see on my case, I don't have the game installed, so I can simply select Install Client and proceed with the setup. I'm not going to do that in this video, but you can if you want, if you don't already have San Andreas installed, and after you install the game, this should be a green light indicator. After you go through and install the game, you can just select the Servers tab to the right, and in here you will have a full list of all the servers hosted on mobile. You can select whichever one you want to join, see the information, mark it as a favorite server, and start playing after inputting your name. You can switch over to the Favorites tab to see all your favorited servers, and on the Hosted tab you can see other servers as well. Regardless, if you want to add a custom server, go over to the Favorites tab to the left, select Add Server, and then type the address over here. Afterwards, whenever your friends join the same server, all of you will be able to play multiplayer together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA San Andreas multiplayer mobile with your friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.